The distinctive taste, flavor, and aroma this jollof rice gives makes you want to eat more and more. Hey yummy, welcome to this channel. In today's video, we are cooking tasty, simple Dawadawa or locust beans jollof rice. I'm Yummy Cash and you're welcome to this channel. To begin with, in a pan, I'll pour in my oil. I am using coconut oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. And that's as my locust beans or dawadawa. I'll blend it together with the tomatoes and the pepper. Now, when the oil is hot, I'll add in my chopped onions and fry these onions for at least 1 minute. I am saying 1 minute because my heat was not too high. So I advise when cooking jollof rice, your heat should not be too high or too low, at least medium heat. Now, when the onions are fried to my perfection, I add in my blended tomatoes. Once again, I blended tomato, the locust beans, and pepper together. Leave it for it to simmer for at least 5 minutes or till most of the water is evaporated from it. I'll go ahead and add in my spices, and I'm using rosemary, Maggi, and curry powder. Now you can use any spices of your choice, any spices you deem it right when you're cooking your jollof rice. You understand? And I'm using cardamom also. Next, I'll add in my garlic powder. I so much love it. I love garlic powder. The last spice I'll add is fennel seeds. So I'll sprinkle a little bit of it on it and then give it a good stir. I'll then go ahead and add salt to taste. Stir to mix and then leave it for additional 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll add my fish or my meat. But today I'm using my Geisha Markerel. Geisha. Then I give it a stir and once again leave it again for it to simmer for at least 3 minutes before going ahead to add in the washed rice. Hey yummy, if today is the first time on this channel, let me take this opportunity to welcome all the new subscribers and also to thank all the old subscribers for believing in Yummy Cash. Kindly hit the subscribe button if you've not and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Now, after stirring it and leaving it to cook for 5 minutes, I then go ahead, stir it again, and then add in my water. Now, from here, it solely depends on you. The reason why I'm saying this is because it depends on your rice that you'll be using. Some rice are very hard to cook, others are so easy to cook. Now, so before you add your water, know the type of rice you are using and know the quantity of water you are going to use. So you taste for your salt, and if the salt is okay, you just cover it, and if it's not okay, add in more of the salt. But please don't add in more for you to spoil your rice. You understand? So you keep checking on it. Is there a yeah, I hope you know how to cook your jollof rice, right? So you can notice that I did not add tin tomato. Yes, when cooking Dawadawa Jollof Rice, there is no need for you to add tin tomato. Just add in enough of tomato and you will get the right and correct Dawadawa Jollof Rice. So I'm adding in spring onions, which is optional just for garnishing. Thank you so much, Yummy. Always remember to do everything in love.